If your tally form has test submissions or unwanted data, you might want to delete responses to keep things clean. In this guide, I'll show you how to delete responses in tally forms step by step. First, log into your tally account and open the form that contains the responses you want to manage. Next, switch to the Responses tab. This is where all submitted entries are stored. Now find the specific response you want to remove. You can click on it to open full details. Look for the Delete option, usually represented by a trash icon or menu button, and click it. Tally will ask for confirmation before deleting. Confirm the action to permanently remove the response. If you need to clean up more data, you can also select multiple responses and delete them in bulk. After deleting, your response list will update immediately with the selected entries removed. Keep in mind that deleted responses usually cannot be recovered, so double-check before removing anything important. And that's how to delete responses in tally forms. So it's a simple way to keep your data organized and remove unwanted entries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.